Now, I airdrop photos from my phone to my computer on a fairly regular basis. The problem is that to be able to use them on my computer, I need to convert them to be used on the web or anywhere else, because they always come in as .heics. Now, that's a great file format, but it does have some limitations when it comes to the internet. Luckily, we can go ahead and set up an automatic conversion folder inside of macOS. To start off with, you need to open up Automator. From Automator, you're going to go to Folder Action and hit Choose. Inside of there, the first thing you need to do is pick the folder. I have an image convert folder that I put on my desktop, so I'm going to go to Other, and then I'll find my desktop and I'll choose my image convert folder and choose that as what's going to happen there. And then out of this library that we have, we're going to go to Change Types of Image, and we're just going to drag that over onto our center stage there. We have two options. We can add or don't add. If we add, it's going to create a copy with a converted file, and if we hit don't add, it's just going to delete the original file and keep only the new version that we want to have. In this case, I'm going to hit don't add. And then we can choose the file format that we want. In this case, I'm going to go with JPEG because that's I think what I want to have here as going forward. After I've done that, all I need to do is go to File, Save, and I can call this Image Convert and save it. And if you have to, you're going to have it allow the options in there. But now when I go out here, I'm going to drag this Hot Wheels car. So we have this beautiful Hot Wheels car. We're going to drag that and we're going to put it in our image convert folder. And now when I go into my image convert folder, you can see that it's already converted over to a JPEG automatically. This is super easy, super fast, and if you do a lot of airdropping stuff, it's going to speed your life up a whole bunch. I hope that helps.